Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we are reading English grammar chapter and it is for both 6th and 7th classes. And the name of the chapter of English grammar is tenses. You know tenses. There are three types of tenses in English grammar. First is present tense. In Hindi we can say Vartman Kal. Second is past tense. In Hindi we can say it Bhutkal. Third, future tense. In Hindi we can say it Bhavishya Kal. And tenses are very important in English grammar because if we don't know tenses then we can nothing do anything. So three main tenses are there: present tense, past tense and future tense. If the work which is going on in present time, then it is present tense. If the work is completed, it is in past tense. And if the work which will start in future, so it is in future tense. Now come next point. Each tense has four parts. Present tense has four parts. Past tense has four parts. Future tense has four parts. Now we will discuss its parts. Present tense. The present tense part is first is present simple, or we can say present indefinite. Both are same. And in second stage, past tense, the past tense second is past simple, or we can say it past indefinite. And future tense. Future tense, first part is future simple, and or we can say it future indefinite. Now second part of present tense is present continuous. And the same thing in past tense, past continuous and future continuous, second part. Third is present perfect tense, and past tense is third part is past perfect tense. And the same condition in future perfect. And fourth part is for present perfect continuous. And in past also past perfect continuous. And fourth part of future tense is future perfect continuous. So these are four parts of each tenses. Now if we discuss about its examples of all 12 parts, present tense 4 parts, past tense 4 parts, and future tense 4 parts. So examples I will show you. First, present simple. Okay. Then first example is he reads a book. He reads a book. It means this tense is in present simple because he is subject, read is first form and using S. So if we use S or ES, then it is in present simple. And a book is object. So this is the example of present simple. Or if we write, I wrote a letter. Here, wrote is second form of write. It is second form of write. Then it is I wrote a letter. It means the work is completed. So it is in past simple tense. It is in past simple tense. If anybody asks you what will you use? In past simple we will use verb second form. So and the third is future simple. In future simple what we will use? He will play a match. In this will, helping verb is using will. Okay. Now come next one. I am running a race. The work is going on. It is in present continuous tense. Because in present continuous what we use is MR and run first form plus ing. If we discuss she was playing a match, so it is past continuous tense. Because in past continuous what we use was and verb first form ing. And third is Rohan will be reading a book. And in future continuous what we use will or shall plus be, and the same condition in continuous verb first form ing. And third is he has written a letter. In present perfect, what do we use? Has or have. And which type of verb? Verb third form. And the past perfect, he had planted a tree. Plant. He had planted a tree, plant. And in past perfect, which helping verb will come? Had. Only one. Had. And main verb third form. Main verb third form. And future perfect, I shall have made a table. Future perfect. So which helping verb will come in future perfect? Will have or shall have, and the same condition in verb third form. So next is present perfect continuous. He has been doing his work since morning. Then in present perfect continuous, which helping verb is coming? Has been, have been, and verb first form ing. And one thing also you remember, since and for, showing time. Because if we use since for, then time also. Since, point of time, and for, period of time. Now if we discuss past perfect continuous, then past perfect continuous, what will we use in past perfect continuous? Past perfect continuous, for example, I had been writing a story for 2 hours. In this, which helping verb is coming? Had been. Only one helping verb, had been. And verb first form ing, writing. And which is time denoting word is coming? For. Because for it 2 hours is period of time. It is not a fixed time. So it is past perfect continuous. And if we discuss future perfect continuous, Richa will have been making a table since Monday. In future perfect continuous tense, which helping verb will come? Will have been or shall have been, and verb same ing. Okay, then it's since Monday. Since is denoting time, and it is the point of time, not period of time. Okay, thank you. This homework. Now we have studied tenses and its parts, and which helping verb. Now you have to do some homework. Question is identifying the tense parts. Identifying the tense parts. Okay. So it is your homework, and you have to identify the tense parts. I am writing some sentence, and you have to do the part of tense. For example, he cuts a tree. Now you have to write here which tense part is this. Second is Ram killed Ravana. Ram killed Ravana. So here you write which tense is this. Third is Sachin had scored a century. Sachin had scored a century. Here you write which tense is this. Fourth, Mohan will cut a cake tomorrow. Cut a cake tomorrow. Here you write which tense is this. Fifth, I shall have been flying a kite for 2 hours. For 2 hours. Here you write which tense is this. Okay. So this is your homework. You have to write the name of tense here. Which tense is this?